Hello everyone, welcome back. So from the past few months, we had seen weakness in crypto markets as Bitcoin. Then we had seen a lot of stocks. They're under correction for the past 3 to 5 months, and a lot of investors in panic, not understanding what's going on. You don't understand what inflation, then interest rate hikes, and what more is going to take place, and why is it happening? Where is the money flowing? We can see a lot of money flow out of stocks and crypto market. So where is it all going? So in today's video, I'm going to talk about the inflation in US, how is it impacting our market, and expected move, and which are my personal stock investments, which I'll be investing in few months. So you gotta understand. I'm going to explain this in a very basic manner and just outline. I'm not going to teach you guys more about macroeconomics or something. It's just basics. So anyone who has zero knowledge about stocks or crypto, when they can understand what's going on. So first thing you have to understand that the annual inflation rate in the US accelerated to 7% last month of 2021, a fresh high since June of 1982. So this is for a long period. This is the first time it's up to 7%. So this was an expected move. We had expected it to be 7%. When I say expected, it means that a lot of investors who are invested in stocks or crypto had already expected this move coming. So why do I say this? So let's look into stocks. So the two types of stocks, one is growth stocks and one is value stocks. So growth stocks are like Tesla, Amazon. So after post COVID or mid 2020, these stocks started to have a rally and they made new highs, whereas value stocks are which has stable income and stable money flow, and they give like low rewards, such basis value stocks. So these growth stocks, let's consider these growth stocks such as Tesla, Amazon, Meta, Netflix. So these stocks got overvalued, and because of the inflation, and this thing became like inside a bubble. We can say like a bubble is going to burst. So a correction was expected. So from the past 5 to 6 months, we could see that a few of these growth stocks were already having a correction. Let's consider Coinbase. For the last 3 months, it's down nearly 39%. So this isn't a normal, what do you say, we can't say it's normal in stock market. In crypto market, okay, it's fine. We can see Bitcoin having a move of 40% and then again a rally. But in crypto, in stock market, it's not normal to have a correction up to 35 to 40%, because it's somewhat it's not like crypto market. So this correction was expected, although the inflation, if you look at the inflation, it was out by in December. But from the last 6 months, these stocks are already, what do you say, already having a correction. Not but value stock, you can see they're performing quite well compared to growth stocks. We'll talk about in the further video. So currently the statement is, where is the money flowing from stocks and crypto market? So the money is coming out of this market and it's flowing into bond market. So this image actually represents, like in simple words, you can see as stock price rise, the bond price falls. So currently the money is flowing from stock market and crypto market to the bond market. This is to what do I say, it's like to manage the inflation. So it's as simple as that. It should be perfectly balanced. So obviously I've used this meme over here. So what are we expecting in the coming days? So feds are going to increase the interest rate at a faster rate so that they can control this inflation. That is the first basic thing which we have to understand. So the next meeting we have is on January 25 and 26. So we can already see that today is January 21, and there is already a lot of panic in the market. Bitcoin has already lost its strong support and it's moving below $40,000 currently. And we could see even Dow futures, it's like 7 days red currently. And there has been already panic in the market. And the reason for this panic is the expecting the interest rate to be about 7%, and they're expecting Fed FOMC in this meeting to announce it that it's going to be about. So this is the first thing which is going to take place. So next thing which we have to understand is money will start flowing from value stocks into the bond market. So I had showed you that growth stocks are already under correction for the last 5 to 6 months. They're under correction, but whereas value stocks, they're holding pretty good. So there will be money flow out of these value stocks. And so if you have investments in these value stocks, make sure you reduce the exposure into the value stocks which are currently at peak. So these growth stocks, is a Tesla, Coinbase, these stocks are actually we can start investing, because they have already, what you say, 40% to 50% correction they have taken place. And the percentage in correction for these growth stocks we might see, but it will be quite less compared to value stocks. So at current point of view, cryptocurrency market is overvalued, and money is expected to flow out of crypto market and into the bond market, and this is very very important. We don't want money to flow into the crypto market at this point. We don't want it. The reason is because if the money starts flowing into the crypto market instead of the bond market, and the inflation, and we fail to control this inflation, and the US government or the government notices this, they are going to take strict measures against crypto market, so that the money starts flowing into the bond market. We have to control this inflation. So money will flow out of the crypto market, and we will go into 15 to 18 months of bear market. And it's actually good also, because we'll be flushing a lot of scam and shit projects, and there isn't a point of panic. Doesn't mean the market is ending, it's never going to go back up. It's just a time span of 1 or 2 years, then we're going to be stronger back, we're going to bounce back really really strong. And it's just that we don't want at this point any money flow into the market. We have to support it, and support in the sense, whatever happens is happening for the right reasons. So there will be money flow out of crypto market and stock market into the bond market, and these are the meeting dates. I was expecting the interest hike rates to be near March 15th, so I was expecting that dates. But there are speculations that by January 25 26 the interest rates will be above 7.1 or 7.2. So that will push the price of Bitcoin below maybe $35,000 if the interest is above 7.2. So my personal stock investments, so I'll be investing into China stocks, so such as Alibaba and Bilibili. So the reason why I'll be investing into China stocks, in the sense I've seen it grow really fast, and this is my personal opinion, irrespective of irrespective of the controversial or anything. It's my personal opinion that China is going to be the world's strongest economy in the coming years, because of the projects that have taken place and how strongly they're growing. Whereas in US, because of the inflation, it has been it's been a pushback, and it will take some time to recover. Whereas China is growing strong like never before. So I'll be investing a part of my portfolio into a few of the strong, what do you say, Chinese investments. I know I'm going to get a good return for it. And that's all for my video, and I hope you guys understood what's going on in the market. And thank you guys for watching, and hope you guys are doing well.